Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of Software to Sketchbooks, one brushstroke at a time. I am Kriti Tiwari, an artist, art educator, and someone who used to spend her days buried in emails, deadlines, and tech dashboards. Until I finally listened to the quiet voice inside my head, and that said, "It isn't me, this is not me." Today, I want to share the real story behind why I left a stable 17-year career in IT industry to become a full-time artist. It wasn't spontaneous. It was something that I thought about it for a long time, but fear kept me stuck for months. Fear of leaving a predictable life, fear of stepping into something that didn't have a clear roadmap. I kept asking myself, what if it doesn't work? What if I'm not good enough? And yet, that quiet desire, it never stopped whispering. I used to paint every day, not because I had to, but because I made time. I started waking up early around 5:30 or 6 in the morning just so that I could paint something before the chaos of the day began. Sometimes during office hours, I would sneak in a quick doodle or create cartoons to give to my teammates. These moments give me joy, real innocent joy, in the middle of meetings and spreadsheets. Painting wasn't a hobby, it became my lifeline. And during that time, people often ask me, Kriti, how are you managing everything? How do you take out time to paint? You have kids, you have a home, you have a full time job. How are you doing all this? Even my husband would ask, with a mix of amazement and concern. And honestly, I didn't always know. I was doing what I could, stealing moments between routines, clinging to my creative time like oxygen. But one day, that voice inside me grew louder, and it asked, what if I gave 100% to this? What if you devoted your full energy to what you love? What could you actually create then? That question didn't leave me. And slowly I began to notice. The more I painted, the more I became alive. The more I returned to work, the more I felt hollow. It was like I was living two lives, one that looked good on paper, and the actual one that felt good. People ask me all the time, how did you know that it was time to leave your job? And the truth is, you don't ever feel ready. Even though when you have thought about it through, you have planned it for months, you just don't know. At some time or some point of the time, the only thing that you do is the fear of not doing it becomes greater than the fear of failing. I remember the moment very clearly. I was sitting in front of the laptop on yet another Zoom call, and I realized I wasn't present. I wasn't even listening. The mind was somewhere sketching or planning or daydreaming in that moment, and I knew. I just picked up my mobile, I messaged my husband, and he was in US that time. It was his night. But I just messaged him and I said, I'm quitting today. And I said that if I don't take that chance now, I will keep regretting later in years that I did not even try. So I left. Not with perfect plan, not with guaranteed income, just a brush, a deep desire, and a belief that my life was meant to be painted, not managed. Since then, the journey has been wild. I'm building my own online course. I have launched my own subscription platform, The Painted Path, my own teaching platform. I have sold original paintings. I have redefined success, not by job titles, but by how alive I feel. And that's what this podcast is about: the becoming, the in between, the brushstrokes that make alive. So, if you're listening and you have ever felt like you were meant for something more, something soul fueled, something deeply yours, I hope this story reminds you it's possible and you are not alone. Thanks for tuning into Software to Sketchbooks. If this resonated, feel free to share it or reach out. You can find me on Instagram at the rate Kriti Tiwari underscore art or explore my work and teachings at www.community.krititiwariart.com. See you in the next episode.